Hi, welcome back to Tony's Reviews. In this video, I'll be showing you Lexington Law Honest Review. So, Lexington Law is a long-running credit repair company that focuses on disputing negative items on credit reports. Now, the way it works is pretty straightforward. So once someone signs up, Lexington Law pulls their credit reports and start challenging things like late payments, collections, charge-offs, or errors with the credit bureaus and creditors on their behalf. Now, the idea is that if any of those items are inaccurate, outdated, or can't be properly verified, they may get removed, which could help improve credit score over time. Now, it's a multi-service, so you're paying continuously while they work through disputes. Now, when you look at what people are actually saying online, well, the feedback is very mixed. Now, on Trustpilot here, well, the feedback is, again, like what I said, is kind of mixed. It has a low overall rating, and a lot of reviewers say they paid for several months without seeing meaningful charges through their credit. Many complaints mention slow progress, lack of clear communication, or feeling that very little was happening while the monthly fees kept adding up. Now, some people also say canceling the service was frustrating or not clearly explained. That negative sentiment here shows up pretty consistently in Trustpilot reviews. Now, Reddit discussions actually back that up in a big way. So many people there point out that the core service Lexington Law provides is essentially sending dispute letters, which anyone can technically do themselves for free through the credit bureaus. Now, because of that, some feel they were paying mainly for convenience rather than stronger results. With that said, there are still a smaller number of people who said Lexington Law helped them clean up their credit, especially when they didn't have the time, patience, or confidence to handle disputes on their own. Another thing that comes up often when people research Lexington Law is its past legal trouble. Now, consumer protection regulators took action against the company over billing and over advertising practices, and refunds were issued to affected customers. Now, that doesn't mean the service itself doesn't work at all, but it does explain why so many people are cautious and why trust in the brand took a hit. So, when you put everything together here, well, the honest takeaway based on those reviews that we're seeing right now, Lexington Law does file disputes and does exactly what it says on paper, but results are inconsistent, often slow, and many people feel that cost isn't justified. Some see improvements, many see little to none, and a lot of people only online believe similar results can be achieved independently without paying a monthly fee. Now, based on what we're seeing here, it's a real service, not imaginary, based on Trustpilot and Reddit sentiments. It's one of those things where expectation really matters. Now, if someone wants hands-off help and understands the results are not guaranteed, it might feel useful. If the goal is fast or guaranteed credit improvement, most people online say it's not the best option. But that's about it. So, if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.